Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've been an OG subby and you've been part of the gym squad, that every year around my birthday I straighten my hair, and my birthday was on August the 2nd, and so in true Slim Reshae fashion I straightened my hair. So I just put together this quick video of me straightening my hair for you guys, and I just wanted to make it, very calm, subdued. So I'm gonna put on the little phone voice so y'all can feel like y'all talking to me on the phone while you doing your hair. I know this video is literally so short, but I just wanted to get on here and say, hey, what's up? I love y'all and appreciate y'all. If you're interested in a detailed curly to straight routine, I will link some up in the card, so make sure you check out the top right hand corner. I'll have some links up there. I'll have all the products listed in the description box below as well. So you guys, y'all, we cannot forget about the intro song. I did not forget, but I didn't find a good placement for this video since I didn't have an official intro, so we gonna go ahead and get into it. It's Slim Reshae, a natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae. Y'all know I cannot sing for nothing, so I'm gonna leave that to the experts. And yes, so y'all, this is what my hair was looking like after I straightened half of it, and I was like, okay, we looking full and actually a little bit longer. So I do think my hair grew out. At this point it is full all the way to the ends for the most part. I'm just trimming off a little bit of split ends that I saw, but for the most part my hair was still looking healthy on the ends. So here I am just fluffing my hair out. I was not used to all this volume. It was humid and it's been raining literally every day, so my curls did not hold. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I love y'all so much. Leave it thumbs up down below, subscribe if you are new, and without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, simple. Bye guys.